Welcome to Quiz Quest, the ultimate channel where curious minds put their intellect to the test. Today, we've got 20 questions that will take you deep into the world's most mysterious enigmas, along with the fascinating stories behind them. Each question will reveal surprising facts that will keep you hooked. Need a little extra time? Pause the video whenever you need. Are you ready to challenge yourself? Let's dive in. Where is the Bermuda Triangle located? Atlantic, Pacific, or Indian? Atlantic. The Bermuda Triangle is located in the Atlantic Ocean, forming an area between Miami, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. This region has captivated researchers and the public due to reports of mysterious disappearances of ships and airplanes over the years. While some theories attribute these incidents to natural phenomena such as ocean currents, sudden storms, or methane gas released from the seabed, others propose more speculative causes, including supernatural forces or extraterrestrial activity. However, scientists argue that the number of disappearances is not higher than in other heavily trafficked maritime areas. Despite this, the Bermuda Triangle remains a fascinating enigma that continues to fuel imagination and mystery. What were explorers searching for in El Dorado? Gold, water, or gemstones? Gold. El Dorado is a legendary city of gold that has fascinated explorers since the 16th century. According to stories and myths that originated among the indigenous peoples of South America, it was said that a ruler or tribal chief known as El Dorado bathed in gold and possessed vast riches. These tales drove many European explorers, especially during the colonial era, to venture into the South American jungles in search of this fabulous city. Despite numerous attempts, El Dorado has never been found, and many historians believe it was an exaggeration or a myth created by native cultures. Today, the legend remains a symbol of the unreachable pursuit of wealth. In which country is Aokigahara Forest located? Korea, China, or Japan? Japan. Aokigahara Forest lies at the base of Mount Fuji in Japan, known for its dense vegetation and eerie silence. Commonly referred to as the Suicide Forest, it is infamous for the number of people who have gone there to end their lives, earning it a dark and mysterious reputation. Additionally, its dense foliage and volcanic soil composition, which interferes with compasses, make it easy to get lost. Beyond its grim notoriety, Aokigahara holds great natural and cultural value as a place of stunning beauty, featuring numerous caves and landscapes that attract visitors from around the world. What is the Voynich manuscript? A 15th century book, a 20th century artifact, or a medieval manuscript? A 15th century book. The Voynich manuscript is a mysterious 15th century book, written in an undeciphered language or code. It was discovered in 1912 by Wilfrid Voynich, an antiquarian bookseller, and has since intrigued linguists, cryptographers, and historians. The text is accompanied by peculiar illustrations, including non-existent plants, astronomical diagrams, and human figures in strange settings. While some studies suggest it could be a medical or scientific treatise, its purpose remains unconfirmed. To date, the manuscript is one of history's greatest enigmas. Its authenticity has been verified, but its content continues to spark speculation, theories, and debate. It is currently housed at the Beinecke Rare Book and Manuscript Library at Yale University. What do sirens symbolize? Art, danger, or wisdom? Danger. In Greek mythology, sirens symbolize temptation and danger. These mythical creatures were renowned for their hypnotic singing, which lured sailors to their doom. Often depicted as half woman, half bird in the original myths. Sirens inhabited rocky islands, leading navigators to shipwreck on their shores. On a broader level, they are associated with the warning against yielding to temptation or the unknown. Over time, their image evolved into figures that were half woman, half fish, yet their symbolism as a seductive threat persists in popular culture and art. Sirens serve as a reminder of hidden risks that may be disguised as irresistible allure. In which country is Loch Ness located? Ireland, Wales, or Scotland? Scotland. Loch Ness, located in the Scottish Highlands, is renowned worldwide not only for its stunning natural beauty, but also for the legend of the Loch Ness Monster, affectionately known as Nessie. This freshwater lake has considerable depth, reaching up to 230 meters in some areas, which has fueled imaginations about hidden creatures in its waters. The first documented mention of Nessie dates back to the 6th century, but it gained global fame in the 20th century, with alleged sightings and photographs. While scientists have found no conclusive evidence of the monster's existence, Loch Ness remains a major tourist attraction and a symbol of Scottish mystery and folklore. Where is the Dragon's Triangle located? Japan, Philippines, or China? Japan. The Dragon's Triangle, also known as the Devil's Sea, is a region in the Pacific Ocean near Japan, roughly between Miyake Island and Guam. This area has been famous for centuries for tales of mysterious phenomena, such as the unexplained disappearances of ships and airplanes, similar to events associated with the Bermuda Triangle. According to Japanese legend, the zone is home to underwater volcanic activity and supernatural forces, fueling its reputation in local folklore. While some phenomena can be explained by intense geothermal activity and ocean currents, the Dragon's Triangle remains an enigma that intrigues both scientists and paranormal enthusiasts. Where are the Nazca Lines located? Scotland, Mexico, or Peru? Peru. The Nazca Lines are a series of ancient geoglyphs located in the Nazca Desert, in the southern region of Peru. These gigantic figures, which include designs of animals, plants, and geometric shapes, were created by the Nazca culture between 500 BCE and 500 CE. What is most striking is that many of these lines can only be fully appreciated from the air, sparking various theories about their purpose, ranging from religious rituals to astronomical calendars. Declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1994, the Nazca Lines remain an archaeological mystery that continues to fascinate experts and travelers from around the globe. What does the Great Pyramid of Giza contain? Statues, tombs, or treasures? Tombs. The Great Pyramid of Giza, also known as the Pyramid of Khufu, was constructed around 2570 BCE as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu, one of the most prominent rulers of the 4th dynasty of Egypt. It is estimated that this majestic pyramid was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. Inside, there are several chambers, including the pharaoh's burial chamber, which originally contained his sarcophagus. Additionally, passages and other chambers have been discovered, fascinating archaeologists and historians for centuries. Although many of the treasures and burial goods were looted in the past, the pyramid remains an impressive symbol of engineering and... Where are the mysterious Marfa Lights located? Texas, Arizona, or Nevada? Texas. The Marfa Lights are an unexplained phenomenon that occurs in the desert region near the town of Marfa in West Texas. Since the early 20th century, locals and visitors have reported seeing bright lights moving across the horizon with no clear explanation. Over the years, many have attempted to offer theories about the origin of these lights, ranging from atmospheric reflections to paranormal phenomena, but none have been definitively confirmed. Despite scientific studies and investigations, the lights remain a mystery, which has turned Marfa into a popular destination for both tourists and enthusiasts of the unexplained. In which country is Area 51 located? Russia, United States, or China? United States, located in the Nevada desert. The United States, Area 51 is a highly secretive military installation that has captured the imagination of millions. Although its official purpose involves testing aircraft and advanced technology, it has become the focal point of conspiracy theories, particularly those related to unidentified flying objects, UFOs, and extraterrestrial encounters. The base was officially acknowledged by the US government only in 2013, further fueling speculation. Declassified documents reveal that aircraft such as the U-2 and SR-71 Blackbird were tested there. Despite its secrecy, Area 51 remains a symbol of mystery and a recurring theme in popular culture. Who first mentioned Atlantis? Homer, Plato, or Aristotle? Plato! Atlantis, a mythical civilization said to have existed thousands of years ago, was first mentioned by the Greek philosopher Plato in his dialogues Timaeus and Critias around 360 BC. According to Plato, Atlantis was a powerful island continent located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, what we now know as the Strait of Gibraltar. He described the Atlanteans as an advanced and wealthy civilization, but due to their moral decline, they were destroyed in a cataclysm that submerged the island beneath the sea. While some believe Plato was recounting a true story, many think his account is an allegory about the corruption and fall of civilizations. Over the centuries, the legend of Atlantis has been the subject of speculation and theories. Where is Mount Roraima? Brazil? Venezuela? Or both? Both! Mount Roraima is one of the most iconic mountains in South America, located at the border of Venezuela, Brazil, and Guyana. This nearly rectangular mountain is part of the Tepuy system, which consists of flat-topped mountains typical of the region. Its summit is almost constantly surrounded by clouds, giving it a mysterious and unique appearance. This look was one of the main inspirations for Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's adventure novel, The Lost World. Mount Roraima is known not only for its beauty, but also for the biodiversity it houses, with species of flora and fauna that are found nowhere else in the world. How many crystal skulls are known? 7, 13, or 20? 13. Crystal skulls are mysterious objects that have captured the imagination of many people over time. It is believed that there are 13 of these skulls scattered across different museums and private collections around the world. The crystal skulls are often linked to legends of ancient civilizations, and some believe they have mystical properties or supernatural powers. However, the origin of these artifacts is highly debated. Many experts think they were made in modern times using advanced carving techniques, while others argue they are of pre-Columbian origin. Their mysterious origins and the controversy over their authenticity make them a fascinating enigma. In which country are the Cappadocia tunnels located? Turkey, Iran, or Greece? Turkey. The Cappadocia tunnels are located in the Cappadocia region in central Turkey. This vast network of underground cities and tunnels was created thousands of years ago and used over the centuries as a refuge to protect people from invaders and natural disasters. The tunnels, which include complexes of homes, churches, and storage areas, extend to several levels of depth, some of which can still be explored today. The region is famous for its unique rock formations, known as fairy chimneys, and its intriguing history. The Cappadocia tunnels continue to be a popular tourist attraction, offering a fascinating glimpse into humanity's past. What crashed in Roswell in 1947? A meteorite, a UFO, or an airplane? A UFO. In 1947, it was reported that an unidentified flying object, UFO, crashed in Roswell, New Mexico, sparking theories about extraterrestrial life. Initially, the US government reported that the object was a weather balloon, but soon after, conflicting statements emerged, creating confusion and fueling speculation about the potential cover-up of an alien spacecraft. The official versions were revised multiple times, strengthening the belief in a cover-up. Over the decades, Roswell has remained the epicenter of ufology, attracting both skeptics and believers. Today, the incident remains an unsolved mystery, turning the city into an important destination for those interested in the UFO phenomenon. What does the doomsday clock represent? Time? Predictions? Or nuclear danger? Nuclear danger. The doomsday clock is a symbol used by the scientists of the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientists since 1947. It represents the imminent danger facing humanity, particularly the risk of nuclear war. The hands of the clock are adjusted based on global events that may increase or decrease this danger, such as the development of nuclear weapons, international tensions, or advancements in science and technology. At its closest to midnight, the clock signals a high probability of global disaster. In addition to nuclear weapons, the clock also reflects threats such as climate change and new mass destruction technologies. This striking image aims to warn about the risks humanity must face to prevent catastrophe. What are the stones of Stonehenge made of? Sandstone, granite, or basalt? Sandstone. Stonehenge is one of the most famous prehistoric monuments in the world. Located in southern England, it consists of huge stone blocks, primarily made of sandstone, which were transported from considerable distances, some coming from local quarries and others from as far as 240 kilometers away. The construction of Stonehenge dates back more than 4,000 years, and its purpose remains a mystery for archaeologists. Some theories suggest it may have been a place of worship or an astronomical observatory. The sandstone blocks, due to their strength and durability, have endured over the centuries, challenging the passage of time and preserving their mystery intact. Where is the Ark of the Covenant? Israel, Ethiopia, or unknown? Unknown. The Ark of the Covenant, according to biblical tradition, was a sacred chest that contained the tablets of the law given to Moses on Mount Sinai. The location of the Ark has been a mystery for centuries, as it disappeared from history after the destruction of the First Temple in Jerusalem in 586 BC. There are various theories about its whereabouts. Some suggest it is in Ethiopia, kept in the Church of St. Mary of Zion, while others believe it was hidden in Jerusalem or even in Egypt. Although the Ark remains a subject of historical and religious fascination, its existence and location are still uncertain. Where does the legend of the Golem come from? Poland, Prague, or Moscow? Prague. The legend of the Golem originates in Prague during the 16th century and is associated with the figure of Rabbi Judah Loew, who, according to tradition, created a clay figure and brought it to life to protect the Jewish community from persecution. The Golem, a creature of great strength, was summoned through mystical rituals and by placing a scroll with God's name in its mouth. However, the story tells that the Golem, when uncontrollable, caused chaos in the city. The legend of the Golem symbolizes themes such as the power of creation and the consequences of meddling with the supernatural. We've reached the end. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you enjoyed the challenge, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with more fun challenges. Want to keep playing? Choose one of these two videos. See you in the next challenge.